Alright, in this video we will simplify a rational expression such as this one. It's really all about factoring. So when you look at this numerator and you think about factoring it, hopefully you're thinking x squared, well that's going to be x times x. And then you're thinking 18. That could either be 3 times 6, alright, or it could have been 2 times 9, or it could be 1 times 18. Alright, but I'm liking the 3 and the 6 because inner plus outer must equal the middle. Inner, I've got this 3x. Outer, I've got the 6x. I need to get a middle of 3. Well, if I have a positive 6 and a negative 3x, that'll give me positive 3x middle. So positive 6x, you say? If I put the plus here, that'll give me positive 6x. Minus 3x will happen if I put the minus here. And sure enough, that gives me negative 18. Negative 3 times a positive 6 is negative 18. So this is how you factor the numerator. The denominator is much simpler because it's the difference of two squares. So you just look at that. When you see 36 or 25 or 49, when you see a perfect square and it's subtracted like this, you know it's just going to be x minus 6, x plus 6. Okay. Now these are going to cancel out. So that's going to tell us that f of x is equal to x minus 3 over x minus 6. But it's important to mention the restrictions. X cannot equal 6 because that would be undefined. Alright, 6 minus 6 is 0. But also, even though we canceled this out, it still counts as a restriction. X cannot equal negative 6 either. Even though it canceled out, x is still not allowed to be negative 6 because that would make a 0 right here. And that would also be undefined. So there you go. So we can write this down, but you have to be careful to say your restrictions.